So for the breakfast, I decided to have some yogurt with frozen berries and granola. So just make sure the yogurt you're using is vegan, like soy yogurt, some coconut yogurt, or something like that. And yeah. Then for the lunch, I decided to do something a little bit more elaborated. So you're going to need to boil the potatoes, and then put the soy in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, and keep adding water until you have the texture you want. Some people prefer it crunchy, some people prefer it spongy. So when they have the texture you want, just stop adding water, and then add the tomato paste, a lot of spices, oreganos, and basil. Then for the potatoes, you're just going to rinse them, put some onion in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Once the onion is golden, just add the potatoes and the vegetables, and add a lot of spices again. I decided to have the snack. I love having strawberries like this. You basically put strawberries in any juice you want. I used cranberry juice, and then you put a little bit of brown sugar and you let it rest in the fridge. The more time it is in the fridge, the more tasty it will be. And then I just had some figs. And then for dinner, I decided to have a toasted pita bread with garbanzo beans, corn, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and yogurt sauce. For the yogurt sauce, you just need to mix some vegan yogurt that is not sweet, and with olive oil and garlic. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up.